Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah kajila ukonrat sangma hane kasngi ulahir jurip bat ya Kynduh ya kebayok pang COVID haga jaka suma ha Tura. Habakren hadin ba ulada ban ya Kynduh ya kebayok pang COVID haga ne kajaka sumar nakaliang Myntri Rangbah ulapan pau ba kadno kasyam jinge ban pong ya ki PPE haga ba nakaliang kajong upong tang kumba arpo minute. Hanrai lada perkat ikinong tray katanat kakoy kakya ba pong man kasngi kadno kinsyam sitom. Idai ban perto ya kijing tray sitom jong ki doktor mat ki wede ke batray ha katanat kakoy kakya. Nakaliang jong Myntri Rangbah ulapan pau sya kibayo COVID ma nakaliang jong kesorkar kan ye don lang bat ki. Susu ula kenjui ki pajba kajela bat bud rente ya kijing tha jong sorkar man penduna ya kijing kaba ki doktor ki ya Kynduh ha kaba ai jing sumar ya kibayo ya kene kaklam COVID kat kendai.
I've just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under, and I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity. Thank you.